Stellar explicitly is exchanging at 16 cents in terms of its US dollar rate with a value change of 0.23 in the most recent 60 minutes, which in a real sense is very huge. In an unobtrusive manner, XLM actually generally has a decently in every practical sense total market cap of 4,334,634. 4448 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $185,049,378, or so they in every way that real. What is the value of Stellar variable in 2023? 3. Which fundamentally is very huge, which generally is genuinely critical. Is Stellar a sort of wise venture or particularly buy and large worth purchasing in 2023, or so they really thought? Will XLM cost really outperform its record-breaking high, which in a real sense is very critical, or so they really thought? These explicitly especially are our Stellar cost expectations for XLM's future. Excellent XLM. According to the Stellar figure cost and expert investigation, the XLM cost is expected to expressly cross a truly regular value level of 20 cents in 2023. Stellar's average, pretty especially least value worth at the end of the really current year should generally in every practical sense be 19 cents in an enormous way, they thought, whereas XLM can fundamentally really arrive at an especially greatest value level of 22 cents. The cost of Stellar, for the most part in every practical sense, is generally expected to basically reach at a very especially least worth of 16 cents in August 2023, or so they thought, which basically is very huge. The XLM cost could explicitly generally arrive at a kind of greatest worth of 18 cents with the especially normal exchanging worth the 17 cents all through 2023 in an actually quite significant manner, really in contrast to previous XLM value calculator August 20th. 2023, the Stellar estimate for August 2023 anticipates that the XLM may basically explicitly arrive at a fundamentally beautiful highest value of 18 cents with a fundamentally beautiful least cost of around 17 cents, or so they essentially sort of thought in an unpretentious manner, discussing the in every practical sense normal value. XLM can most likely stretch around 18 cents in August, or so they assumed. Excellent value expected September 20th, 2023. Stellar is expected to cost between 17 and 19 cents in September 2023, whereas XLM is expected to cost around 18 cents in September. October 2023 Stellar value measure in October 2023. In contrast to mainstream thinking, the sort of fundamentally greatest cost for Stellar could sort of essentially stretch around 20 cents, sort of beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. Besides, the minimum cost of XLM in October 2023 explicitly basically is 18 cents with an actually especially normal cost of 19 cents in a quite enormous manner. Expected value in November 2023. Stellar in every practical sense, Stellar cost is expected to sort of reach between 18 cents and 21 cents in November 2023, while the gorgeous kind of average cost of XLM in November surely maintains around 19 cents. Stellar value expectation December 2023. The cost of Stellar is for the most part expected to reach and in every practical sense least worth of 19 cents in December 2023 in a decently, for the most part enormous manner. In a truly significant manner, the XLM cost could sort of basically arrive at an in every practical sense sort of most extreme worth of 22 cents with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of 20 cents in December 2023 in a decently, for the most part enormous manner. Stellar unquestionably past value examination and the crypto in a real sense basically has been explicitly decreased by 0.47 in its genuinely current worth in a quite significant manner, assuming we sort of for the most part compare the pretty buy and large current market cap of the XLM with yesterday's. You can explicitly see that the market cap is additionally down from a particularly sort of most recent 7 days. In general, the XLM was an exceptionally huge vertical design that was stretched by 1.43, or so they thought. Stellar generally has shown areas of strength for essentially sort of potential of late, and this could be in every practical sense very great chance to for the most part explicitly dive right in and contribute, which certainly explicitly is genuinely huge by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. Nonetheless, after the contrasting the very truly current cost and certainly beyond 30 days cost history, it for the most part in a real sense is seen that Stellar by and large, all things considered, has expanded 32.217 in its worth, or so they truly thought. The truly sort of normal especially by and large lease cost for the month certainly basically is 10 cents, while especially truly greatest decently genuinely normal cost truly generally was 11 cents in a fundamentally huge manner. This suggests that this coin for the most part essentially is a reasonable resource. And another expansion to actually your arrangement of coins for pretty extremely long haul exhibiting that from absolute most recent 7 days, the XLM especially truly was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 1.43 by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking and a kind of significant manner. The 90 days caused change explicitly generally is around 41.81 and the cost entirely all expectations and purposes circled from a sort of most certainly least essentially especially normal cost of 0.089 to fundamentally essentially greatest essentially normal cost of 0.094 and a kind of by and large beyond 90 days in an unpretentious manner in every way that really matters. Very most recent 4 months Stellar basically has shown a developing pattern, or so they basically thought, in a genuinely huge manner. In this way we generally really believe that comparable pieces of the market by and large fundamentally were very famous at that period in a genuinely lovely significant manner as per the very without a doubt the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of Stellar certainly is expanded from 4 months, which by and large especially is very critical in a significant manner. The exchanging volume is a fundamental job in its cost in an unpretentious manner, which is genuinely critical. The coin has truly increased by 53.46. With the truly greatest actually by and large normal cost of the coin all things considered generally being around 0.075 and the for the most part least genuinely normal cost of by and large being around 0.074 and genuinely beyond 4 months in an especially certainly enormous manner, or so they fundamentally thought. Stellar value gauge 2023 facts. What will commonly be stellar, particularly worth in 2023, in an incredibly massive method, in contrast to standard idea, the XLM cost, and Bitcoin price prediction. BTC is steady above $29,000, all eyes on US NFP figures. Bitcoin's price is trading choppy above the $29,000 threshold, and has captured the attention of traders and investors. With a current price of $29,216 and a 24-hour trading volume of $12.4 billion, Bitcoin's performance is being closely monitored by market participants. However, all eyes are also on the upcoming release of the U.S. non-farm payrolls (NFP) figures, as the data could potentially have a significant impact on Bitcoin's trajectory.